Every gardener dreams of dark, crumbly, worm-filled soil, the kind that practically grows plants on its own. For years, I thought the only way to get there was through endless composting. I built piles, hauled scraps, turned them every weekend, and still waited months for results that sometimes disappointed me. Then I discovered a trick so simple it almost felt like cheating. I stopped chasing compost piles and started laying down cardboard. What happened next changed my soil forever. Within one season, hard ground softened, weeds disappeared, and worms multiplied, and the best part, I barely lifted a finger. Let me show you exactly how it works, why it outperforms compost in certain ways, and how you can use it to solve your toughest soil problems. Cardboard isn't just trash. It's cellulose, the very material soil organisms love to devour. When placed on the ground, it becomes a powerful soil-building tool. First, it smothers weeds, cutting off sunlight and preventing regrowth. Second, it creates a moist, protected layer that worms can't resist. They eat through the softened cardboard, dragging it into the soil and leaving behind nutrient-rich castings. This constant activity aerates the ground and enriches it with natural fertility. Microbes join in too, breaking the cardboard down into organic matter. Together, this creates a living, breathing foundation where plants thrive, without the effort of turning a compost pile. To put this method into practice, gather plain brown cardboard without glossy coatings, colored ink, or tape. These additives don't break down and can harm the soil. Lay the cardboard directly over the bed or path you want to improve, overlapping the edges to block weeds completely. Soak it thoroughly with water. This softens the fibers and jumpstarts decomposition. Finally, cover it with a thick layer of mulch, straw, wood chips, leaves, or even grass clippings. The mulch keeps the cardboard in place, holds moisture, and slowly adds more organic matter as it breaks down. Over time, you'll notice the cardboard melting into the soil and the ground beneath turning darker, looser, and richer. Don't get me wrong, compost is valuable, but traditional composting requires space, effort, and constant maintenance. With cardboard, nature does the work right in your beds. You don't haul kitchen scraps across the yard or wait half a year for a pile to finish. Instead, you're building fertility directly where plants need it. Worms do the turning, microbes do the breaking down, and your soil gets stronger every week. The process is slow and steady, but because it happens in place, the results often feel faster. Beds treated with cardboard quickly become more fertile than beds topped with finished compost alone. Cardboard does more than feed worms and microbes. It changes the structure of the soil itself. Clay-heavy soils become looser and easier to work. Sandy soils hold moisture better, reducing the need for constant watering. Weed pressure drops dramatically, giving your plants less competition. And because cardboard breaks down gradually, it creates a long-term improvement instead of a quick fix. Every season you add more, the results compound, building a soil system that practically sustains itself. If your soil feels stubborn, lifeless, or overrun with weeds, don't waste another year fighting it. Lay down cardboard and let nature do the heavy lifting. It's cheap, simple, and incredibly effective. Often better than compost for improving structure and attracting worms. I've seen it transform beds that used to frustrate me into some of the most fertile spots in my garden. Try it this season and watch your soil problems disappear. And if this technique helps you the way it's helped me, make sure to subscribe to Botanical Bliss for more proven soil and gardening strategies, and share this with a fellow gardener who's ready to ditch the compost grind and finally build the soil of their dreams.